Hi students, welcome to another episode of Science Guru. Science classes are incomplete without experiments. So today in this episode we are going to do two simple experiments which you can do it at home. For doing this experiment, you don't have to buy any special things like chemicals or laboratory equipments. We can do with the things which are available at your home. So before starting the experiment, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will get it as a notification. So let us start the experiment. Name of the first experiment is reversing arrow. For this experiment, we need a glass, some water, a paper with an arrow drawn. Place the paper on a flat surface. Place a glass on the paper so that we can see the arrow through the glass. Here we can see that the arrow is towards the right side. Slowly pour some water to the glass and observe the arrow. Now we can see that the arrow is pointing towards the left side and it has become some more bigger. Why this happens? Let us look the reason. In this experiment, light traveled from the air through the glass, through the back of the glass, and then back through the air before hitting the arrow which we have drawn on the paper. So anytime the light passes from one material into another, the light bends or refracts. Experiment number 2, hot and cold water density. Materials required for this are 2 glasses of same size, some hot water and cold water, some color, a spoon, and a thin sheet of cardboard. Here I have 2 glasses which are almost identical. I am pouring some hot water to one of the glasses. Now I am going to fill the other glass with cold water. Make sure that you are filling the glasses up to the brim. This is the hot water and this is the cold water. Now I am going to add a few drops of color into the hot water. Here I am using blue color. You can use any color. This is just to identify which one is hot water and which one is cold water. I am stirring it well so that it will mix. Now I am taking the thin cardboard sheet covering the glass which I have taken the hot water, turning it upside down. The cardboard will stick on the glass. It is due to the pressure and we will study about that in some other class. Okay, and now I am keeping it on the top of the other glass. Now I am trying to remove the thin cardboard sheet. Please do it very carefully. I'm slowly removing the cardboard sheet. Yes, I have removed the cardboard sheet and now you can see that the blue portion or the hot water is not getting mixed with the cold water. The hot water is still floating, or it is still at the top. This is the hot water and this is the cold water. It is not getting mixed. Why this happens? The reason is that hot water is lighter than cold water, so it will always float at the top. So it will not mix, the hot water will float at the top. So hope you enjoyed today's experiments. I will be back with more experiments. So thanks for watching.